Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. The market acting a little weird this afternoon, going up in the morning, going down in the afternoon, going up in the afternoon, going down in the afternoon. But let's see who we got first in the chat today. We've got Mr. Nice Guy, Looney Luna Moona. Dude, I hope so, man. I hope so. I don't have any Luna. My dad was telling me he came over this afternoon. I cut his hair, and he got some Luna this morning right before it suspended there. So we're going to have to see what that turns out and does once it opens back up, or they'll let the blockchain go there. But we got Mr. Nice Guy first in the chat. Paul, Tim, Moji. Ooh, emoji. I like it. Tim, Mr. Nice Guy, Tim, Mr. Nice Guy, Paul, Mr. Nice Guy, D, Mr. Nice Guy, Paul, Tim, emoji, Frank, emoji, Paul, emoji, Frank, Paul. You guys are just having a good old conversation. Shredda, Mr. Nice Guy. We've got Moji, Paul, Brandon, Shredda, Moji, Shredda, Mr. Nice Guy, Summoning, Yo, Moji, Shredda, Paul, and Simon again. Is your dad Ken Griffin? No. Unfortunately, my dad is not. Wouldn't that be hilarious, though, if my dad was Ken Griffin, and, we were sitting here talking crap about him, and then meanwhile, he's going to AMC, and we just had this, giant feud between the family about me talking about AMC and him trying to take AMC down. That would actually be pretty funny. But, we still, get along. He comes over, I cut his hair, and we hang out in the back patio for a little while. That would be very funny, man. And he's like, yeah, you know what we're gonna do, man? We're gonna bring it to you hard this week. And I'm like, well, look, man, I know all this insider trading stuff, so I can't go ahead and act on that. But I'm gonna tell you right now, we ain't gonna give up, sir. We ain't gonna give up. So, Dad, bring it on. And I'm gonna let you know right now that we are also gonna bring it on. So put your best boys at it, because I got my best boys at it, and we're about to play ball. That would actually be really funny, man. I think that would be sweet. But no, my dad is not Ken Griffin. Fortunately, as opposed to unfortunately. Let's go on over here. So we got Pika. What's going on, Pika? Hey, Pika, you holding up today? You doing good? Glad to have you in here. And sorry, somebody said that I was ignoring you in the chat earlier. I really want you to know, if you left because you thought I was not ignoring you, I would never do that to anybody. Even if they were giving me a hard time in here, I would still never ignore them in the chat. So please don't feel that way if I miss some of your messages or anything like that. AMC sitting up 6.22% right now. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Had a tough afternoon, and it seems to be bouncing up into the close. I like that. Shiba Inu coin sitting down 7.5% right now, 11.11 basically. GME sitting at 89.28, up 9.70%. Got a nice little rocket here on farming into the afternoon, sitting at 9.19 right now. Touching 9.50 and bouncing back down. Don't bounce back down, just go up. 9.50 is nice. Go back up to 9.50. You don't need these stupid little candles here. Man, 1 million shares traded per minute. Something's going on with 1 million shares being traded per minute here. That is wild. Don't go back down, though. That's stupid if you go back down. Just go back up. 950 is nice. Go back up above 10, please. Biora Therapeutics breaking even. The NASDAQ is still down today, sitting at 11,321, down 30.38%. AMC, like we say, is at 1105. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin down on the day. Ethereum and Shiba down lower than Bitcoin. Bitcoin still below that $30,000 level. Sundial sitting 1.16% higher, jumping around on me. Mullen Auto sitting 7.2% higher after touching 95 cents, currently sitting at 85 cents today. CEI 59.78. The SPY is sitting 0.59% lower. BBIG 6% higher. Highcroft Mining 3% higher. Netflix is sitting 4.5% higher. And we know that Luna has been suspended all afternoon. Do not know when this blockchain is going to open back up, but I would imagine a lot of people are going to have lost faith in it. So we will see how that works when it does open back up. So keep that in mind. I don't know when it's going to be, so we're not going to keep it on the chart here, but we will keep it on the graph here to see when it does open back up. Let's watch until the close at least to see if we can get any more green candles right here because we want them. 4 minutes. Let's go. What do we got? Yo, Pika. Paul, what's going on, Paul? Shut up. Pika's got a band. Pika better have a band. No, not at all. It takes a lot to make me mad. I left because I'm at work. Pika, all right, good deal. At least you make me feel a little bit better knowing that, because somebody was telling me you left because I missed some of your questions and stuff. The chat really was. It was going quick in the morning, and I don't know. I like it when it's going that quick. It makes the live streams really go quick as well. And a lot of good questions, a lot of good concerns, especially about the cryptocurrency market. Nothing like too off topic or anything. But I really do like it when the chat's moving like that and people are getting some information out of it. Even if I don't have the answers, right, which I don't always have the answers, but I do enjoy it when the chat's rolling like that. Millionaires yet? Rob, we're getting the opportunity to become millionaires. Everybody has, I truly believe this, right? I truly believe, I don't think that it matters if you come from literally nothing, man. If you're not even from the U.S., you land on the soil, you're 30 years old with $1 in your pocket, or if you were born and Ken Griffin was your dad. I honestly think that everybody has the opportunity to make the future they want. Whether that is to build their life up or tear their life down, I honestly believe that you have the option every day to work towards the future you want. If you're tearing yourself down, you will tear yourself down. If you are building yourself up, you will build yourself up. So are we millionaires yet? Maybe not yet, man, but we are absolutely being presented with an opportunity to become who we want to be. Hey bro, what happened to the Shib? It is falling in price, and the value of the purchase, it goes down every hours, and at giblets, can we average down? It's a good idea at the goods today. Okay, thanks, okay. Yeah, D, man, so, Shiba Inu coin coming down with the overall crypto market right now, really getting hammered. Average down if you are comfortable averaging down. Let me say it that way. I don't know, and I truly don't believe that this is going to be the bottom. I do think that we've got further to fall, but I don't know how long it's going to take to get there, and I don't know where the bottom is going to be. This could be the bottom, right? I could be wrong on that, and this absolutely could be the bottom, where we're at right now. But knowing that nobody knows where the bottom's at, you can either continue to step in and dollar cost average and all of that, and make that your decision, or you can hold off a little while and see what happens, but do whatever you're comfortable with. I'm so mad at you, Clay. No, Luna. Pika, don't be mad at me, please. Keith just said Luna right above Pika's name. I played the lottery on Luna. Nice, Keith. Very interesting. Anybody else playing the Luna lottery right now? Because that's exactly what it is, man. Luna lottery. Look, if this dude restores faith in the project, I don't know what the Asian dude's name is that runs it, Don something, or I don't know what his name is. But, man, if he restores faith in Luna, yeah, dude, this blockchain could open back up and people could really buy into it. People lost faith in Ripple when they were getting sued by the SEC. And then people started buying back into it. It went from like 17 cents to, I don't know what it's at right now, but I know for a fact before it was at 80 after being at like 17. So people can really buy in, man. People can really buy in even in the face of, hard times. So Luna Lottery might turn out really well for a lot of you guys. Alex Wonderland, so do you prefer the scorpion or a worm in the tequila bottle? Interesting. Both of them sound extremely dangerous to me. Dang, man, Farmy up 9% after hours, 10 cents. I love it. Go higher, Farmy. Come on. Get that after hours trade going. We love these green lines. A 10% jump after hours. Thank you for moving up, man. That makes me feel good. AMC sitting break even after hours, but doing very nice today, up 8%. Shiba Inu coin 11.13 still. We got GameStop about break even after hours, and crypto kind of sitting in the same spot. No other real action across the board after hours right now. I just don't want to see this thing tick all the way back down 10%. After 10% gain after hours is nice. Let's keep that. Clay, do you mind Picoin? I do not, and very sorry. My nose is starting to tickle. Let me calm. Oh man, I don't have any water, and I just splashed that all over my face. Oh my gosh! All right, let me calm down a second. I cannot have these allergies flare up today. Breathe, Clay. Breathe. Positive energy. Frank, that's exactly what we got, man. Daniel Dickinson is Pi Miner. Gotta love it. I've never mined Pi. I've mined Zcash, Ravencoin, and Ethereum Classic. Just breathe. It's going to be okay. I like it, man. JJ Apple isn't selling the iPod anymore. Apple doesn't sell iPods anymore? See, that's what, I don't have any Apple products, so I wouldn't know. Absolutely. I feel like I got like a dead skin on my nose or something because I can see it. Man, weird. All right. I bought 15,000 Luna coins right when I woke up for $250, average a penny. Right now it's 0.3, tripled my money in 3 hours. Caesar, right now though, it's suspended. Okay, so I don't think you're gonna be able to sell it until it opens back up. I absolutely hope, dude. I hope all of you guys that did get it low, or even if you got it at like the dollar mark or something, I hope that all of you guys see it open up and make a killing on it. Everyone, anything new or green? Farmy's doing pretty well this afternoon. Come back down a little bit right now. Sitting at 9.75 after hours, but still up 6.5% after hours. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Pull up Robinhood to buy some AMC. I go to help out my crew, only to come back to a closed market. Probably for the best. You know I'm glad to be here. Diamond hands, baby. Chris, I love it, man. I love it. And you did or did not get any more? Seems like you did not get any more at the moment. And you know, nothing wrong with that, man. Nothing wrong. We're still facing a tough market right now, okay? We're still facing a very tough market, and I know we had a bounce today in some of these stocks. AMC did well, GameStop did well. It probably didn't do too well today. I mean, it was doing better earlier. Farmy did well today. We did have a bounce in a lot of stuff. But like I keep saying, man, the overall market hasn't changed yet. I believe people are coming in and buying some bargains at the moment. So I think you're still solid. If you're looking to buy another share or two and add to your AMC position, I think you're still solid and have an opportunity to do so. I have 6,000 Luna on KuCoin at 0.016, and it's over 0.4 right now. Let's go. Yeah, transparent. So, you know, on Webull, it is sitting here at 0.105. You know, your different platforms could have different prices, absolutely, but I don't believe it's trading on those platforms at the moment, right? It should be suspended everywhere, knowing that the blockchain has been temporarily, hopefully temporarily, shut down. And then you guys open up, man. Quadruple, quintuple, sextuple your money, man. Yes! I'm not selling my Luna until it is 100. I'll fall back at 50. Dang it, Caesar, man. Caesar, I'm not a beggar, dude, but if you go from a penny to $100 on your, I think you said 25,000, dude. If you go to a penny to $100, I don't know, man. I feel like you should at least hook me up with it. What is the PDP, man? Hook me up with a PDP super sticker and let's have some fun and dance together, because that would be amazing. That would be amazing, man. What do you think of the bottom number? What do you think about? So, Zachary, I do not know the bottom number for Bitcoin. That's the hard part, man. That's the hard part. You got Bitcoin. It had a little support at that 2 days worth of support at that 25,000 level. A decent level of support at 20,000, but major support now is all the way down to $10,000. So it's going to be very interesting to see. With Coinbase talking nonsense, with the market and inflation and interest rates and Russia and China and all these random food shortages now, and it's seemingly like everybody's trying to create panic and like ruin the world. You know, it's interesting, man. It's interesting to see how these things are going to play out in the short term. Long term, I don't think it's the end of the world, but short term, it's going to be very interesting. Farming keeps moving up here, 1089. I'm loving this after hours action, man. Loving this after hours action in Farming right here. Thank goodness. Hello, Pika. Hello, Clay. Pika, Shredder, Paul, Alice, Mo, Tim, Donnell. What is going on, Donnell? Glad to have you in here. June 15th is my birthday. AMC Trapper. Who thinks I should send AMC Trapper a shirt on his birthday? Because I'm thinking, yeah, man. I probably should send AMC Trapper a shirt on his birthday. It's about time we got that birthday shirt going. Claybrow's next for the birthday. I might be. So we had Stephanie on May 10th. No, we got Donnell and Frank. Donnell and Frank are on Saturday, which you guys are going to have to either remind me to sing tomorrow or Monday to them. And then I'm on the 26th. We got any other birthdays before AMC Trappers or mine? Any other birthdays between now? Oh, my dad's birthday is going to be on June 1st. We got that one. And we got another one on June 17th. My sister's birthday there. Dang, 30% after hours. Come on, Farmy, roll. 1189. Let's go, man. Yeah. Oh. I'm liking this run right now. 1189 is looking good. Up 30%. Hey, listen, guys. I'm not gonna I'm not going to lie to you. Because I've been sick of holding Farmy for this long. If it does, for some reason, go back up to 20 cents, there's a very strong likelihood that I'm going to close this live down to manage that trade. I don't think it's going to go that high after hours right now, but this is very strange activity to see it up 30% after hours right now. If for some reason it does run up like that, I don't think I'm going to be sitting on that position anymore. So just keep that in mind and keep an eye on it too. If you guys see that just shoot up, warn me on that, because I do want to manage that position. I've been looking at it for quite some time now, and if it does act a little crazy right now, I'm warning you in advance. I'm going to close this live stream down. I don't care if you guys send me a $500 super chat. I will be closing this live stream down to manage that position, and then I will open right back up afterwards. But we will be watching that, and keep your eye on that just in case something ridiculous does happen there. But I want to let you know that in advance, because I've been looking to liquidate that position for a while now, and something seems to be happening after hours, so we're going to watch it. Luna's going nuts right now. What do you mean Luna's going nuts right now, man? Luna's sitting at $01.05. It's not even moving, is it? It's not moving on Webull. It's not moving it on Webull. Is Luna really moving, or are you just saying that? Now you got me worried. Don't take down. Don't do that. Alan Smith, bravo, man, bravo, Alan Smith, bravo, thank you, bravo, man, Alan, thank you very much for the super chat, absolutely appreciate that. SD says Farmy's up 27%, yeah, Farmy was up 27% 2 seconds ago until you said that. Now it is currently up 17% after hours. Like I was saying, SD, I think if this thing goes back up to 20 cents or something, I may be ending the live stream to manage that position and then coming back to the live stream. But it's very interesting activity going on after hours for Farmer now. Hood, only listening now, but about to DM you on Twitter. Robin Hood sent me something about earning interest. Don't know what that is. So, Chris, you can send it to me as well, but I'm pretty sure I read the notification that they sent me, and I think it said that you can earn 1% interest on the money in your brokerage. I've done Forex before, and it was very similar. I believe it was a better interest rate on Forex. That's uninvested funds. So if you're using Robinhood as like a bank account, and I believe, I did not read all the details and all the fine print, but I believe what they're saying is if you just hold your money in there, you're going to earn 1% interest on all of the uninvested funds. If anybody read the fine print on that and you want to tell Chris about it, please do, but Chris, read it as well. But I believe that's what that is. I did see that notification come across earlier today, and if that's what you're talking about, the 1%, then, it's at 055 on Crypto.com. Mr. Nice Guy, if it's starting to trade right now, man, that's going to be nice if it opens back up for a lot of people at 5.5 cents. Luna made me happy today. Pudgy, I like it. Happy birthday, Frank. Frank's birthday's on Saturday. Happy early birthday. Yes, we'll be singing to him on Saturday. Crypto.com, bro. It's been open for a while with a 14,500 buy limit. Mr. Nice Guy. Interesting. So I do have Crypto.com, but I did not check it on Crypto.com at all today. I actually didn't open up Crypto.com at all. I think I might have to log in to see that. If anybody else wants to go out there and check it out, yeah. But if you're holding on Crypto.com or something and I don't know if it would make sense if you guys are worried about transferring off one of your wallets and onto Crypto.com to sell it there or something like that. But check that out. I'm going to be Luna rich. Nice. SD. Yeah, SD. Remember, SD got some Luna this morning, right? SD said he got Luna. We got some guys in here. We got some lunatics in here. I saw lunatics trending on Twitter earlier. And if anybody's got their lunatics ready to go, man, hopefully you guys make it. Dude, I would love to see it open back up at like 50 cents or $1 or something, and you guys just walk away with a ton of money today. That would be amazing. So you know what, Jay? I don't know it. I don't know a ton about stable coins, and I don't know really how they work and all of the minting and everything that takes place. I don't think, and I could be wrong, right? I don't think that BlackRock would have gone out there and crashed it as a competitor to Tether or anything like that. I don't know, right? And a part of that is because I don't know how to write code and to see everything that goes into the coding that pairs it to a dollar and the minting and burning of Luna and so on to get it there. So the situation is very weird to me that a multi-billion-dollar project would dump to a penny. So it is interesting, man. It is interesting. I don't know how it got here, but I am very interested to see how this plays out. I have a horse now. A horse needs a king. Moji, looking for that crown. Moji, man, thank you very much for the member chat. Looks like Moji looking for that crown there today. Do any Crow? Yes, so Space Ape, I do hold Crow on Crypto.com. I don't hold like a ton of Crow that I would ever plan on retiring off of or anything. But yes, I do hold Crow on Crypto.com. Lunatic Fringe, there you go, man. Have they confirmed if Amazon will be taking Shiba? So Rob, I have not seen anything about that, man. Let's ticker on Farm E. What's ticker? So FAMI, down here in the bottom left, FAMI, Farming going wild after hours, touching 1189. It's currently sitting at 1068. It's up 17% after hours right now. Was it 8 cents? Was it 7.5 cents earlier today, actually, and now it's back up to 11 cents. So hopefully this doesn't sell off after hours or anything. I would love a nice gain into the after hours here and, put it on the radar of the traders. Today's Thursday, right? So we got tomorrow. Dude, put this on the radar of the traders and let them open this crap up tomorrow morning with a nice swing up. Dude, I would be very pleased with that, man. I would be very pleased with that. Danel's birthday when? Saturday, man. We're going to be singing happy birthday to Danelle on Saturday. Do you think Coinbase will go bust soon or not for a while? It's going to have... So, Aldo, I don't think it's going to be soon, okay? The CEO made a statement that he doesn't think it's going to be soon either. They're not worried about bankruptcy right now. They wanted to warn people about that. I truly do believe it's nonsense. Like, I can't see any more disrespect than telling somebody, we don't care about you or your money. We are, there's the potential, not even that we're going to save you, but there's the potential that you're just going to be there's potential you're just going to be treated as a lender. That's all you did, man. You're not depositing your money with us. You're lending it to us. And if we want to lose it, we'll lose it. I think that is very disrespectful. And I think a normal person would find that very disrespectful. If you lent me $100 and I said, dude, forget about you. I ain't paying that $100 back. What do I care about you for? I would feel that is like extremely disrespectful to me, right? And whether or not they face bankruptcy, I don't know. But they did indicate a 19% reduction in active users during the first quarter. And you would expect continued reduction if crypto continues to perform poorly. Now, we remember, Coinbase and these exchanges, they make money when you trade. They don't make money necessarily when staking and all that stuff is good. But if you don't trade, if you're just holding on their platform, they're not making any money. They may be lending some out and things like that, but that's not their bread and butter. They need you to buy. They need you to sell. If they lose active traders, which they lost 19%, and they had a net loss of like $2 per share, I think it was $1.98 per share, then yes, they will be in trouble. So this quarter, I don't know. Next quarter, I don't know. But if crypto goes through a 2-year dry spell, it could get dangerous. Sorry, we've already talked about this. I bought some Terra at 1 penny this morning. I already 4x. Do you think Terra would... Omar, look, man, if you can sell it, consider it, or treat it as a lottery ticket. I don't know if you got too much in it. I do know that it's suspended on Webull right now, but treat it as a lottery ticket. Here's my thoughts. Yes, they could work the kinks out. Whatever the problem was that caused that UST to decouple from the dollar, they could figure that out, and they could fix that. They could open this blockchain back up, knowing that everything's been fixed. Now, because it's been fixed, I don't know how they fix that. There's a lot that goes on with pagan currencies, and maybe they had to have mint an extra billion Luna coin. I don't know what they did to fix it. If there's a huge supply increase in Luna, don't expect Luna to go back up to $100. So that's one thing. Also, expect a damaged reputation. Now, there's two sides to that. There's going to be a lot of people that they're never going to touch it again because the reputation has been ruined. There's going to be other people that realize, you know what? That this coin, this project, this man literally went through a catastrophe, buckled down, fixed it, learned from it, and can absolutely make things happen in the future. So you're going to have those two mentalities moving forward, and I do think people will try to take the project forward if it gets fixed. And there will be people who give up on it forever based on a ruined reputation that never should have happened in the first place. That's my thoughts on it, but treat it as a lottery ticket right now because the future is extremely uncertain right there. It's taking forever. I hope to make it to my stream tonight. Frank, you doing good, man? You still changing that tire? What's going on, dude? Hello, Donnell. Happy early birthday. Frank's birthday on Saturday, too. What's up, Devil's Advocate? How you doing, man? Frank, we'll see you in the morning. Maybe never. Yeah, maybe. Never give up. Frank, never give up, dude. Thank you, everybody. Early birthday wishes. Boom. I'm the man. Not. You are the man. 1 billion mints, and y'all still got bad breath. I just pictured like SpongeBob when he ate, or Patrick, whoever it was, when they ate that onion sundae or whatever. Devil's Advocate, I read your earnings call is on 6/16 or close to that. Dude, I thought they had an earnings report the other day. Just worried because I got a hard wallet coming, but worried it won't be here in time. Dude. Aldo, man, listen, you can't take me as an all-knowing thing, but I don't even care if you ordered that hard wallet from China. I would strongly imagine that wallet is going to arrive well before Crypto.com or Coinbase ever has to worry about bankruptcy, man. I would imagine that's going to arrive well before you're worried. I wouldn't even, dude, if I was buying one, I wouldn't even consider that a concern, man. Truly, I wouldn't even be concerned about that. Should have, to be honest, no idea what you're talking about, but I haven't been paying close attention lately. At this point, I'm in the market, just slowly adding to positions each paycheck and ignoring the day-to-day. I like it. Devil's Advocate, that's a long-term mentality, man, and you know what? That does make you dangerous, dude. It truly does. Hey, brother, what's up? What's with the spike up this morning? Al Sharpton, man, I'm not going to lie to you. I actually have no idea why things were spiking this morning. Very interesting trading activity going on this morning in multiple stocks, okay? Clearly, a lot of money was either being spent or a lot of money was being sent through exchanges because it wasn't just AMC and GameStop. Like, Farmy had a really good morning, too, jumping up like 16% from 7 cents to 9.4 cents. After hours here, a lot of volatility was sitting at 11.89, currently sitting at 10.50, but still a lot of volatility going into the after hours trading here, up 14.5%. So, a very strange trading day today. Let's put it that way. Very strange trading day today. Should we accumulate Luna? So, Jay, it's a tough call, man. It's a tough call. And let me put it this way. Accumulate what you are definitely willing to lose. Because I honestly think that Luna, at this point in the game, you know, being suspended on Webull right now and maybe opening up on a couple exchanges is in a very dangerous position. If you want to accumulate, please, dude, only accumulate what you are willing to lose honestly. If that's $10, dude, one day that $10 might turn into $1,000, and that is an amazing return. One day that $10 might turn into $10,000. That's an amazing return. Imagine if you spend $10 on lottery tickets and you walked away with 10 grand. You'd be happy. If you're willing to risk 100, go for it, dude. Risk 100. But please don't consider it a guaranteed return. I know it looks dirt cheap, and it is. But they may have minted billions of Luna to fix the problem they had. So you might be looking at a new top cap price of 50 cents when it opens back up. I don't know what that's going to look like. Let's see. I think Luna would have all new investors now. The ones that lost so much money would never come back. Like me, brand new investors. That's all they need to coin. And you know what? Omar, exactly right. You know, I think that maybe some of the guys that are really like hardcore, you know, into the project and stuff, they may stick around. But yeah, I feel like the guys that have been burnt will never come back. There will be people that never thought about touching Luna before, never even looked at it before, seeing how cheap it is, coming in, wondering if it's a lottery ticket play they should get into, and then they do buy into it. So, it's going to have some demand. We just don't know what's going to happen to it. His birthday is May 26th. Yes, it is. My birthday is May 26th, guys. Oh, my gosh. I can't even believe it's only like 2 weeks away. It's ridiculous. I'm a Luna believer. Anybody else, a Luna Lovegood? I don't know who that is, man, but yes, she does. 0.05578 currently, a Luna. Toro, where are you seeing that, man? Where are you seeing that? Well, it's still stuck in my Weeble, so... Oh, that sounds a little weird, doesn't it? Still stuck in my Weeble, huh? Let's see. Sitting at 0367 on Coinbase right now, on CoinMarketCap right now. It's saying we got a price of 02 on KuCoin, 046 on Binance, 026. So I don't know. I don't know what these prices are at, guys. It does seem like different exchanges are quoting different prices right now. So, like I say, please just be very, very careful. If you are buying Luna, treat it as that lottery ticket, man. I'm out of the loop with this crypto crash. What else crashed besides Luna? RK SoCal. So as far as I know, nothing crashed as bad as Luna. And Luna is not just because crypto is coming down. Luna is because there's a stable coin that was no longer stable. People that had invested in that stable coin that was pegged to $1, it dropped below 30 cents. And I don't know where it's at right now or what it's doing, but that's why Luna's crashing. But like the rest of the cryptocurrency market, nothing's down as bad as Luna that I know about. That's not like a meme coin or a coin that was a scam. Luna turned my $250 lottery ticket yesterday into a $4 word of caution. Space ape. And look, it could absolutely do the same thing from this penny that it's trading at right now, from the 3 cents. That's why I say, please, $250 turn into $4. If $25 is what you're willing to lose, turn the $25 into 4 cents. It's like the same deal. Just be careful with it, guys. Be careful with it. It can turn that $250 into $25,000 if it does turn around, but please just be careful with that. I think we'll see 20,000 Bitcoin. Al Sharpton, in my opinion, yes. But please don't take my opinion as guaranteed. I think that everything that's affecting the crypto market right now has not been resolved. And because it's not been resolved, as good as the prices look, the sellers are going to outweigh the bargain hunters. The bargain hunters are going to be nice. They're going to provide some support. But what's driving the market down right now, it's a lot, dude. It's a lot. And I think we will see 20. I imagine we could even see 10 or lower. Now, I know that it's not guaranteed. So if it goes to 20 and that's your guys' buy. Don't say, well, Clay said it's going to 10, so it's guaranteed to go to 10. Absolutely not. But with how little support there is in between 10 and where we're at now, I do think it's a possibility. I was a gambler for years. Let's make some money. Zaharia, Vlad, man. Don't fall back into gambling if you've gotten out, man, okay? If you were a gambler for years and you're no longer a gambler, don't fall back in, man. But hey, if you're ready to make some money and you're ready to take a gamble, go take a gamble, dude. I was always jealous I didn't have Luna, so now here's my chance. Can't ignore it, will not. Era D, man. You know what? And that's the same thing. If you're looking at Shiba Inu coin and Shiba Inu coin all of a sudden went to 7 zeros and you were always jealous that you didn't get it when it was at 7 zeros before and you believe in its future, I say go for it, man. I say go for it, but please, you guys know it's a risk. You're all adults, right? I don't have to sit here and tell you, be careful. But I do feel a slight responsibility to at least say be careful. But in all honesty, man, it's what do I care if you guys do go and gamble it $1,000 away or $10,000 away? Yeah, it makes me a little bit nervous, but it's not my money, man. So if you want to hit it up and see if you can make it, do it. When you kill a man, you're a murderer. When you kill many men, you're a conqueror. But when you kill them all, you're a god. Pudgy! Yes, man. Sounds dangerous, though. It's on $5,000 in my account, but I'm waiting for that gain. Rob Bliss, man. Looking towards the future. Nice. That's what I like. Halts don't seem to trigger on the way down. Very sensitive on the way up. Yeah, Paul. So are you talking this morning on GameStop or are you talking somewhere else? You're not going to see cryptocurrency getting halted, though. They don't follow the same. If you're talking crypto, they don't follow the same rules as the stock market. So I assume you might be talking GameStop halting this morning or something else. Inspirational quote of the day. There you go, Pudgy. I like it. Does the stock rising 5 or 10% in under 5 minutes trigger an automatic halt? So roly fingers. There's like 3 different brackets based on the price of the stock. And then there's 2 different brackets based on the time of the day. So yes, based on the time of day and based on the price of the stock, if it moves more than 5 or 10%, depending on the price of it, if it moves 5 or 10% more than the previous 5 minutes average, meaning if it just shoots up 10% in 1 minute, yeah, you're going to get a halt, okay? That's during the day. Those bands, they double, and I believe the first 10 minutes or first 15 minutes of the trading day, and I believe like the last 35 or last 30 minutes of the trading day. So then it becomes 10 and 20%. So you got to look at those numbers, and if it's a penny stock or something, it's pretty tough to get that halted. The bands are much further out. But yes, if you want to look up what those exact rules are, you could just Google like circuit breaker halts, and then you can, Investopedia's got a pretty good explanation, but just know that there's like 3 different categories for the price of the stock, and then there's 2 different categories based on the time of day. And if it's at the beginning or the end of the day, those bands are doubled. I will not. 570 euro in Shiba at 0.0017 position. Buy in the way down is better than on the way up. Zaharia. Good deal, man. Good deal. And I'm glad you're not going to fall back into it. Oh, don't do it, man. Isn't that a Megadeth song lyric? That part I have no idea. I'm not losing hope because I know eventually we will hit more. Rob Bliss. I totally agree, man. I am very optimistic about the future of cryptocurrency. And I honestly believe, you know, I'm sitting on crypto too, right? And I know that it's going down in value, and it sucks to watch it go down in value. But I honestly believe, even if Bitcoin drops to $100 a coin, I do not think that it is going to be over with. I do not think that Bitcoin, that crypto in general, will be over with. I think one day there will actually be a need for cryptocurrency. And you know what? This is going to be bizarre, right? Whether we can actually transfer it back to dollars or if people transact solely in crypto, that's hard to fathom, right? Why would you ever want to trade $100 for 1 Bitcoin knowing you will never convert it back to fiat, right? That's hard to imagine wanting to do because it is digital and so on. But I imagine there will be a day when things are transacted solely in crypto. Whether it's because the vendors do not trust or do not want to comply with governments or the world government, I absolutely believe that we will reach that day. And you know, which ones survive, which one of those are transacted, that part I do not know. But I do think that crypto has a future regardless, man. Probably this better hope the market isn't a woman. You're going to be sleeping on the couch for saying that. Oh, no. Don't be sleeping on the couch. Rob, no. On OnlyFans, Zach, I don't miss something with these prices. I'm listing my wife for sale to make more gains. Boom. Zachary, man. Hopefully you get at least a Bitcoin, dude. How much time will UST take to recover? So, Jay, that part, and that's where it gets into the intricacies of what makes a stable coin stable that I don't know about. You know, one would think if they would, first they got to solve the problem as to why it happened. If they already know that, they have to come up with a solution on how to fix it. If they know that and they stopped the blockchain, you would imagine it wouldn't be that long to mint the necessary amounts of Luna, burn the necessary amounts of Luna, get the coin back up, and patch up the problem that caused this in the first place. But that's just me trying to wrap my head around it, right? I know these computer guys, they can take a long time to code something, and if it's something that, if it's a bug, if it's something they never imagined could be possible, like that's the part I don't know enough about stable coins and coding blockchain and coding these smart contracts to come to a determination on that. I wish I did, man. I wish I did, but I don't have, I mean, aside from, building a Hello World app or looking at a little HTML, dude, I got no experience in coding. Oh, Tim, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Tim knows what time it is, man. Tim says, it's time to look at the deals. Tim, man, yes, we're going to be getting those deals, dude. I know we will, guys. I know we will. You got to look optimistically at what the future's holding right now, and it is holding nothing but goodness if you're willing to take advantage of it. And if I'm on my bed, I know what's OnlyFans. UST won't recover. They don't have the liquidity to cover their debts. Ultimate overlanding. Possibly. Okay, possibly. Like I say, I don't know. Gosh, I wish I had more water. I don't know enough about how that works to make it happen. And based on the price of the coin and all of that stuff, it is about, that's why we're treating it as a lottery ticket. If you guys are looking at Luna, you got to treat it as a lottery ticket right now. Heck, no. These days, the confusing age, you best believe medicine, energy, and oil, to name a few, will prevail. Well, dude, I don't even know if medicine's going to prevail these days. You might want to just stock up on food, dude. Rice and beans. If they could take your baby formula away, they could definitely take your food away. So watch out for that. Stock up on your rice and beans. Go buy a couple chickens. Keep them in the backyard. You got your eggs. I mean, as long as if you live near a creek, you're going to be good, dude. You're going to be good. You got the water that you're going to need. You got the eggs. And you got some rice and beans. Sustenance. You're good. Oh, you look better today. Allergies. So, Paul, I have been making a severely active effort. So, the allergies are still there, and I still feel them slightly, but I have been making a very conscious effort not to touch my face at all, man. Like, my nose does itch. I might give it a slight little rub like that, but I know once I start moving it around, irritating it, it's going to go wild. If I rub my eyes at all, they're going to start going wild. So yeah, dude, I have been doing that. I don't take any like daily Claritin or anything. I usually just take some Benadryl at night if it's so bad that I can't stand it. But I've been making a very conscious effort not to touch my face. Where do you buy Luna? So Danelle, you can't buy it on Webull just yet. Okay, it is suspended on Webull right now and not moving. As far as other exchanges, some people were saying that it is open on Coinbase or on Crypto.com at the moment. I think somebody said someone else said it was open on KuCoin or Kraken. Now I don't know where they said, but I don't know. I thought the blockchain was shut down. If it is open and trading on other platforms, I'm currently looking at Webull and don't see it. If somebody else sees it trading, you can let Danelle know. Cool, brother. Can you give me a quick rundown of what's going on with the Luna, please? Why is it down so much? Al Sharpton, yeah, man. Like I say, I don't understand all the intricacies of a stable coin. But what Luna had was a stable coin, UST, that was pegged to the USD, to the US dollar. And it was always supposed to be $1. Well, something happened. That part I do not know. Some people are blaming BlackRock and selling billions off, and some people are blaming hackers. Some people, nobody knows. I don't know what happened, but that UST dropped below 30 cents or dropped to 30 cents or something like that, and that caused this meltdown. They have to figure out how to get it back to $1. So I believe they were minting a ton of Luna. People no longer believed in the project. They said that it's trash now. They started selling off, and it just spiraled out of control. If they get it fixed, hey man, maybe they can make a go of it. If they can't get it fixed, well, then, they lost their project. Moved up $1 after us. Mr. Simon, I got no news on Hood right now. I don't know what's going on because Farmy's up 18% after hours right now, man. It was up like 30% after hours. It was up to 1189, currently sitting at 1080 right now. Wild action going on here for sure. Voyager has it. Is Voyager currently trading it? Is it tradable on Voyager at the moment? I mean, I know Voyager might have it, but is it tradable? Mr. Nice Guy, it's Gemini won't let me get a Luna either, and apparently Coinbase is evil, so I won't even try there. Pika Power, listen, Coinbase is not evil. If you guys are interested in continuing to trade on Coinbase, there's nothing wrong with that, right? I don't think that they are facing bankruptcy near term. So if they do concern you with their bankruptcy statements, I don't think that that's a short-term concern. Can't buy it on Coinbase. Gotcha. Then I was looking on Coinbase. So has anyone ever seen a black squirrel with a red tail for the first time? Zachary, I have not seen that actually, man. I spent a lot of time looking at squirrels and chipmunks, man. I've seen a red squirrel, I've seen a black squirrel, I've seen a gray squirrel, I've seen a brown squirrel, but I've never seen a red squirrel or black squirrel with a red tail. Me, I'm blaming BlackRock. Pika is BlackRock's fault then, man. I blame BlackRock if you want to blame BlackRock. Sit down, BlackRock, I'm blaming you. Paul, you guys can blame me if you want, man. Actually, I think if you guys like started blaming me, I might go viral or something. So if you guys want to start saying like Claybro single-handedly doused Luna in flames, it might work, man. I don't know. It might work. We might go viral somehow. Yes, I bought it. Yes, I bought some. All right, so it looks like Voyager, like right this minute. It's tradable right this minute. I know it was tradable this morning. I just want to make sure it's tradable right now. KuCoin tradable. So KuCoin and Voyager seem to be tradable. You could sell Luna on crypto, but they limited it. Crypto.com, interesting, Omar. Okay. So, yeah, you guys, it seems like you guys know what you're talking about over there, and you got the places where you can buy and sell. So, KuCoin, maybe Crypto.com with a limit, and Voyager as well at the moment. See, if you go to the lottery office and buy a book of scratchers outright, you get a rake the size of your thumb. Forget about using a coin. Go professional. Yes, man. Go to the lottery office and buy a book and get a little rake the size of your thumb so that you can professionally scratch those scratchers. Shredda, I like it, man. I like it. Borrowed $100,000 in Bitcoin, kept $25,000 and traded Terra Creator, $75,000 Bitcoin equals TUSD. Then BlackRock and Citadel dumped Terra and Bitcoin. About $100,000 in Bitcoin, kept $25,000 and traded Terra Creator, $75,000 Bitcoin. Okay, equals TUSD. And then BlackRock and Citadel dumped Terra and Bitcoin. Okay, Toro. It's kind of hard for me to follow on what they would have been doing there. I will say this, though, and I don't know if I believe them or not, but you know that they have to make available the trades that they're making and so on. But BlackRock issued an official statement saying that they have never traded UST, or I don't know if they meant Luna as well. But very interesting that's the theory going on out there. Don't blame Clay. He's an angel. You mess with Clay, you answered of me, Frodo. I like it, dude. Thank you. I got a bodyguard in here. Good night, bro. It's night in India. I liked your live session. Jay, thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Tuning in from India. I know it's got to be what, man? Like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning in India right now? I know it's got to be late over there. I blame Paul. He fell asleep at the wheel. Come on, Paul. They picked up the cheaper borrowed Bitcoin to return the 100,000 Bitcoin at a much lower price. Toro, listen, I don't doubt that that's possible, right? They definitely could do that. That would be like borrowing and shorting and then buying back at a lower price to cover what you borrowed. I don't know. I haven't seen their trades, and I honestly have not read too much into the ideas on how it happened or why it happened. I kind of just, read over the situation because I knew people were going to be talking about it. Facts on that. It's for Terra Luna. Are you going in for Terra Luna? Pig, I think Paul has a CDL and the cops won't give him a ticket at all. Well, shoot, man. Paul's safe then. I blame Frank's. Me too, Moji. I blame Frank's flat tire as well. Frank is the one that crashed the market. If he didn't have that flat tire, Luna would still be trading at $50 right now. I have for sale a one owner, a Bitcoin, low mileage, 34,000 or best offer. 34,000 or best offer. Paul, I will currently offer you $25,000 cash. $25,000 cash for your Bitcoin. One owner, I like it, man. $25,000 cash. Unlimited quantity. If you want to sell me all of them, I'll buy all of them. Shreddy, he's best friends with a judge. Well, there you go, man. You ain't got to worry about nothing if you're best friends with a judge. Luna will be at $5,000 tomorrow. Not financial advice. I highly doubt that Luna's going to be at $5,000 tomorrow. But if it is, I know there's going to be a lot of people with Luna going to 5,000 tomorrow would be more ridiculous than Shiba Inu coin opening up at $1 tomorrow. Luna's not going to go to 5,000. I don't even know if I can even say that with a straight face. It's like saying that Shiba's going to go to $1 tomorrow, saying that Luna's going to go to 5,000 tomorrow. Paul says it's worth a penny. Well, shoot, man. If I gave you a penny for that Bitcoin, too. Al, I will give you 10% if that is true. Me too. In fact, I will gladly. If somebody can manipulate Luna to go to $5,000 tomorrow, I will gladly give you a lot of money. All you got to do is make it go to 5,000 and tradable. Okay? I got to be able to cash it out. I don't care if I cash it out for a billion Ethereum, but I got to be able to cash it out. Okay, special edition Bitcoin. 35. Man, I knew it was a special edition. Thought you were going OBO, man. I was going to give you 2,500 for it, 25,000 for it, easy. He says deal. Al says deal. You got 10%. Hey, man, I'll take it. Does a low price on Shib mean a higher burn rate? It doesn't necessarily mean a higher burn rate. But if the same amount of people burn the same amount of US dollars worth of Shiba Inu coin, yes, it means a higher burn rate. So like 2 weeks ago, right? Shiba Inu coin was sitting at like 22, 23, 2,400 points per coin. And we burnt 25, 26 billion Shiba Inu coin on that burn portal. If we burnt the same amount of US dollars worth right now, we would be burning 50 to 60 billion dollars, or 50 to 60 billion Shiba Inu coin instead of 20 to 25 billion Shiba Inu coin. If it continues to drop down, and right now it's sitting at basically 1,100 points per coin. If it goes back down to that 800 points per coin or 500 or 600 points per coin, we would be burning 100 billion Shiba Inu coin based on the same US dollar amount. So it absolutely can, but it doesn't mean that people will burn. Just because it's lower, it doesn't mean that they are burning. But if they burn the same amount, yes, then we will. Or they can, burn 25 billion coins, but it's only going to cost them a quarter of the amount. I guess you started watching. Anyone else taking the risk on buying Luna? Kelly Scott, we got a lot of lunatics in here, man. We got a lot of lunatics in here. Yes, there's a lot of people that have bought some Luna. I have not bought any Luna, but a lot of people are in Luna, yes. You got that right. He drives his lawnmower all over town, causing havoc. Dude, Paul sounds like a good guy. Sounds like Billy Madison. No. Bobby Boucher. Sounds like Bobby Boucher, man. Sounds like Bobby Boucher. Bought $100 Luna this morning. Just couldn't resist at these prices. Boris, dude, I hope it opens up and soars for you, man. Tim, none of these tire kickers, please. Yeah, I'm a tire kicker. I'll tell you that right now. Do you know the smell of burning money? It stinks really bad. Shredder, I'm not going to lie, man. No, I do not know the smell of burning money. Transferred all of my coins from Coinbase to my wallet. Did I jump the gun on the negative news? Well, Daniel, look, man, I don't know if you jumped the gun, right? I don't know if there's necessarily a downfall to transferring to a decentralized exchange. But I also don't think that Coinbase is facing immediate bankruptcy. So I don't think that they're worried about that in the short term. But if you feel safer, well, no, dude, you didn't jump no gun. You're just making sure you're feeling safe. But a little recap here, guys. We do have farming coming back down. It's at 10 cents right now, 10.21. It was all the way up to 11.89. Definitely coming back down. It was up like 30% after hours. Currently up 11% after hours. AMC sitting down 0.80% after hours. Shiba Inu coin sitting 1,100 points per coin. GameStop sitting a break even after hours. Biora sitting 0.30% higher. And Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all down at the moment. Bitcoin sitting at 28,764. Sundial up slightly after hours. Mullen Auto up 4% after hours after having a decent day today. CEI up slightly. SPY down slightly. BBIG up to $2.69. Highcroft Mining sitting at $1.19 right now. Highcroft Mining is break even for AMC. Netflix sitting at $174.02. And Luna not currently trading at the moment. So we're going to watch and see if any ridiculous ticks come across here. We did have some ridiculous volume after hours and some massive moves to the upside. I would really like some more massive moves to the upside there. Babouche, you can do it. You can do it all night long. Yes, you're going to jump in to get Luna, giant risk reward. Yeah, man, there is a giant risk to reward. Right now, I can't jump in. I mean, it's not trading right now, so I won't be jumping in right at the moment. But, no, man, I don't have a problem taking a little risk on it if it does open back up. Let's see. Pika, you leaving? Bye, Tim, Kelly, and everyone else. Pika, thank you very much for hanging out with us, and please do enjoy your evening. If you got to get some work done, get some work done. Thank you very much for being in here. Better call Paul, not Saul. I like it. Shredder, I'm going to call Paul for sure. Can an exchange be decentralized? I thought it was just the coins themselves. That's interesting. So, yes, a place like Shiba Swap can be decentralized, but this is the tricky part here. So in order to take your crypto and cash it out, you're going to need to use some sort of a centralized exchange at that point. You're going to need to use somebody that's sitting on actual cash dollars, and unfortunately, at that point you have to KYC yourself. So they have to know their customer, or they run the risk of just catastrophic money laundering taking place. So you have to go through a centralized exchange and KYC yourself in order to cash it back into US dollars. If you want to use a decentralized exchange like Pancake Swap, Shiba Swap, Sushi Swap, Uniswap, whatever swap, you can do that, but you're not going to be able to cash it out for actual dollars at that point. Paul, thank you very much for the super chat. Paul says, going live tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern time to 11:45 from the beach, a day off. Let's talk, gossip, and have fun. Bring your favorite drink, Paul Wright Lawns, on YouTube. Guys, do it, man. Do it. Go check Paul out. Hang out with him. It seems like he's going to be going live from 11 to 11:45 and then maybe hanging out here at 11:50. So make sure to check Paul out tomorrow morning and hang out with him in his live stream. Looks like he's going to be at the beach, man. Who doesn't want to see what's going on at the beach? So make sure to check that out. Why is Luna suspended? Raul, so Luna kind of shut their blockchain off to figure out what's going on with their stable coin and how to fix this problem. It was a manual decision made by the guys at Luna to fix the problem they've got. So that's why it's currently suspended. Any reason AMC and GME ran this morning? So JJ, you got me. It wasn't just AMC and GME. A lot of stuff was running this morning. You look at Farmy. Farmy ran from 7 cents to 9.5 cents. AMC ran from $9 to $13.70. You do have GameStop down at the bottom right. We'll put it in the bottom left for a minute so you guys can see it. Running from 77 to 108. Very strange. Farmy is another stock that ran, like I say. Farmy shouldn't be included. Farmy is not on the radar of the meme stock guys who are out there buying AMC and these apes that are buying AMC and GameStop. So I did find it strange that type of money was flowing this morning into stocks on the buy side. I don't know if they released a ton of orders. I don't know if something happened with dark pools. I don't know if too many orders went through. I don't know why, man. But if it was only AMC and GameStop, it would lead you to believe a little bit more that something may have been going on with hedge funds or something there. But with Farmy, kind of a random penny stock that doesn't get a lot of attention from the ape community, doesn't really get any attention from the ape community, I did find it weird that things ran this morning, kind of sold off into the afternoon, and now even after hours here, we do have some volatility on Farmy, up 12%, and it was up 30% 5 minutes after the close there. So I got nothing of substance, man, as to why. I never thought I would be this excited about any crypto when it dips so low. Shiba plus Ethereum and Bitcoin, the boom, baby, Shib for life. I agree, man. I agree. I did not load up in 2015. I did not load up in 2020. I will not strike out on this third opportunity. I will not strike out on this third opportunity. I can promise you guys that. Will you zoom out for bikinis? Ooh, Mr. Nice Guy. Just gonna have to go and find out. There you go. I'll do close-ups, whatever it takes for likes and views. Paul says, let's get started. I like it, man. Nice Guy. He'll be that dude filming the last 3 seconds of his life, panning from bikinis. Oh, gee, man. If it happens, it happens, dude. I live 5 minutes from Lake Erie. Nice, Paul. Very nice, man. Going to hanging out at Lake Erie tomorrow. Luckily, she'll be at work. There you go, dude. There you go. Luna rug pull in 3, 2, 1. No, I don't know if there's going to be a Luna rug pull or not, guys. Luna is, I believe, still suspended, at least on Webull and a few exchanges. Seems to be open on a few other exchanges. So, I don't know exactly what's going on there, but hopefully, I do hope for the best, right? I don't have any at the moment, but I know a lot of people that do have it, so I hope you guys make a ton of money. Hopefully, Western Basin. Well, I don't know which basin is a good basin, man. Okay, Paul, maybe one day when you come to Florida, you'll see my 89 town car and go to the beach out here. Shredder, there you go, man. That actually sounds like a good time. I'm going to Chicago this weekend. I'm not going anywhere this weekend. I'm not going anywhere. Is anybody else going to anywhere this weekend? Because I'm certainly not going anywhere. Can you quickly explain to have a... So, yes, it's crim, man. I will try my best. I don't have a, very in-depth understanding of what was going on. But from what I've read and what I understand is that their UST, they have a stable coin that is supposed to be pegged to the dollar. For one reason or another, whether it was a hack, whether it was a problem in the code, whether it was a bug, whether it was BlackRock and Vanguard selling off and trying to tank the coin. These are all theories that are floating around out there. And for whatever reason, that stable coin went from $1, which was where it was never supposed to move from, tanked down to 30 cents. Now, in order to fix that, they were minting new Luna, and people were freaking out about the project, selling off and minting more, and selling off and minting more, and trying to stabilize that stable coin. And because so many people lost respect and lost faith in the project, it has tanked down to a penny. At the penny right now, it is suspended. They've closed the blockchain or turned the blockchain off right now. So I don't know what's going to happen to it when it opens back up. But treat it as a lottery ticket play. If you're in it, you got to treat it as a lottery ticket at this point. If you're thinking about getting into it when it opens back up, still, treat it as a lottery ticket play, man. Lives here in Chicago all my life, and the city is horrible now. IADDP. You know what? I have never been to Chicago before. I do know that it seems dangerous, the way they talk about crime and stuff there, but I don't know. I've never been there, man. Ape is pumping. Is Ape pumping right now? Ape was up like 50% earlier today. What's it doing now? Ape is up to 697. Ape was doing very well this morning and then sold back off drastically this afternoon. So Ape, very volatile like the rest of the crypto market right now, guys. A lot of money to be made if you're trading. A lot of money to be lost if you're on the wrong side of the trade. Remember that. But a lot of volatility, and where you got volatility, you absolutely have traders flocking in, taking their chance. It'd be a blast to meet everyone someday after the MOAS. Oh man, I think it would be cool. I think it would be I don't know, man. It would be cool to meet everybody. Yes, I wouldn't want to be the dude that's like, well, you gotta sit here and listen to me the same way you listen to me on the live stream. I do think it would be cool to have a hangout or do something like that. I think it'd be fun. I was down at the Market Street in San Francisco earlier today, and I did not see any hedge fund managers trying to fly out of windows without a cape. Seems that they have enough liquidity for now, but not for long. Johnstontown, good deal looking out for us, man. Good deal looking out for us. I'm glad we got our man on the ground over there. You got to keep us informed on what's going on. It was the Russians. I kid. Irridi, man. Nobody knows, right? You blame it on the Russians if you want to blame it on the Russians. Everybody's blaming something on everybody these days. I live in Chicago, not as bad as it seems. Hey, did he do that, man? I think it's probably all what part of the city you live in and things like that, too. It would probably be much more dangerous for me to go there, not knowing anything about anywhere in Chicago. Clearly, I could end up on the wrong part of town, pretty quickly. So I do think it's, you get hometown advantage, man. You get home field advantage if you live there and you know that place, but it could get dangerous for me. I have a I have a bad chicken fest. Nice, Pudgy, whatever that means, dude. Just like any other city. Yeah, Diddy, man, you know, for real. You could run into bad parts. You can run into good parts. Diddy, I'll be in the burbs. It'll be fine. There you go, man. How much longer is this dip? Close to the bottom now? You think? So, Dan, I'm going to be honest, okay? I do not think so. I'm basing that on everything that's causing the market to go down and the fact that none of that has changed yet. So I think we got a little bit further to go. I do think a lot of people are seeing these crypto prices as on sale, and that's why we saw a pretty decent bounce today. But as far as like the overall market conditions, I don't think those have changed yet. I was in the Helmand province of Afghanistan. I'll go back there. At least I'll get shot where I'm allowed to carry to protect myself, unlike Chicago. Be careful, dude. Be careful. Don't get shot. I don't know. Don't get shot anywhere, man. Don't get shot anywhere. I've seen squirrels the size of rats. Dude, I mean, the squirrels here are bigger than rats, man. The squirrels in my backyard are bigger than rats. Hood up 40%. What? Is Hood really up 40% after hours? Wow. Why is Hood up 40% after hours? Hood at $11.23 right now, 30% higher. Are we back or did I freeze? You guys can still hear me, right? What the heck's going on? Hold on. What is going on, man? All right, hold on. I gotta close and reopen this camera. I don't know why the camera disconnected, but we're back. All right, it has begun. Oh man, something begun with Hood there. I don't know what's going on with that. I should not visit Chicago. I would end up taking a dump in front of Citadel's building and probably get arrested. Frodo, don't do that, man. Don't do that. Don't take a dump outside for people to watch, man. That's weird. Although I don't know if they would arrest you in Chicago for taking a dump outside. Chicago seems to be pretty lenient on some of their crime that they've got going on. Dang, man. We got GameStop back down to 87.52 after hours. So it's got a little red coming on down there. Farmy sitting 13% higher right now. AMC trying to make its way back up. And Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1088 at the moment. Dude, Hood is sketchy, but it's rolling right now. Here you can't see it. Dan, hopefully I'm back now, guys. Hopefully I'm back. Probably not a popular take, but I wouldn't mind seeing this dip last a little bit longer. You know what, Iradi? I don't know how popular or unpopular that is, okay? I did a poll yesterday, and you guys can chime in if you want. There's only a minute left in the stream. But I did a poll yesterday, and the vast majority of people said that they would rather see crypto drop down another 90%, knowing that it would jump up, you know, even if it took 5 years, that it would jump up 20,000% afterwards, like every time we've seen crypto fall and rise, than they would to see prices stabilize right here and, you know, just steadily move up and really maybe gain 5 or 10% over the next 5 years, but never lose any money. So I don't think it's the unpopular opinion to expect and hope for volatility in the crypto market like that. It seemed to be like it was 85 or 95% of the poll that we took the other day. Let's see. Did a filing for FTX acquisition at 7.6%. Oh, hoy! Did they really? So they're looking to acquire that exchange there. That's interesting. Okay, that would explain a lot. And crazy that they've got the money to do that. But guys, it is 5 o'clock. Moji, it's not the weekend yet, man. Today's Thursday. It is 5 o'clock, guys. So we're gonna take off for now. I do want to say thank you. This stream went extremely fast. So did the one this morning. You guys are absolutely positive, even on down days. You know, so I love it. I appreciate it. And thank you guys very much for being in here. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. Did we get 100 likes? We had well over 100 people in here. 59 likes, man. Guys, don't forget to click that like button because clearly you forgot to click it. 59 likes, 132 people currently in here. Don't forget to click that like button on the way out. And thank you in advance for doing that. We got videos coming out at 7 p.m., videos coming out at 8 p.m. Appreciate all you guys watching them, sharing them, liking them, all that good stuff. But let's do these shout-outs, and we'll be back with the videos this evening. AMC Chapter, man. Peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes. We got 2 Scoots, Tim, Shredder, RK SoCal, Shredder, Tim, Paul, David, Mr. Nice Guy, Moji, 2 Scoots, SD, see you later, Ronald, Dan, Johnstontown. Absolutely, man. Thank you. Paul Wright, Alan Smith, 2 Scoots, Transparent Trading Live. I'm creeping as always. There you go, Transparent. Hoy, see you later. Did he do that? Shredder, Paul. Frodo, Ronald, thank you for liking, Ronald. Appreciate that, man. SD, later everyone, later SD, RK SoCal, Tim, Hogan, 2 Scoots loaded the boat in Solana today. Nice, dude. You guys buying into Solana? I believe Solana's got a future as well. Cheers to you as well, Dan. See ya. See y'all, Tim. Bad Antics. Peace out to you as well. I don't know if Stephanie's in here. She was in here earlier. Frank, if you're still in here, man, see you later. Danelle, have a great evening. We get Life of a Noble Man. Have a great day as well. Paul. Hopefully Frank's got that flat tire taken care of. But you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.